Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to duplicate a table in Snowflake or how to create a table from an existing table in Snowflake. So here I am going to use the role account admin database DemoDB. Schema is public. Let me run this. Okay, or else by using the context you can choose your database from the context menu. Okay, now let me create a table, department table with department number, dname, location, department, table DEPT successfully created, and I am going to insert the 3 rows into department table. So assume that this is the my existing table. By using this table, I am going to duplicate or create another table with different scenarios. The first scenario, before going, let me show you the data from this table after inserting 3 rows. So this table, DEPT table, having 3 columns with 3 rows. Okay. Now copy both entire table structure and all the data from table. This is the first option or first type of creating a table. Okay, so in that we have a method one, the clone option. So by using the clone in Snowflake, we have a feature called the clone. By using this clone option, you can create a table from the existing table. Please note that in this video, I am not going to talk about time travel. I mean, take duplicate the table from the time travel is nothing but a historical data, so that I will do it later, another video. Okay, so create or replace table, your table name, and you have to include the clone is the keyword, so that whatever the data is there in the DEPT. So with that clone option, I am going to create a table. So click on create. See, table DEPT underscore clone successfully created. Now let me show you the data from DEPT underscore clone. This table created from DEPT table. So as it is, this method, I mean this is the structure with the table structure along with the data from the table. Now I am going to create the same using the CTAS. So create or replace table name as select star from DEPT. See, this is the CTAS, create table as CTAS, we can call it is the CTAS. So table name DEPT underscore CTAS. Okay, so now if you see table DEPT underscore CTAS successfully created. So here also full data. Okay, so with data structure and data, so 3 rows are there from the DEPT underscore CTAS. So now another copy entire table structure along with the particular data set. This time I am not going to copy the entire data. So to do that, you can create or replace table DEPT underscore 10 as select star from DEPT where DEPT number equal to 10. This method simply saying that here also we are going to create a table by using the how can I say, CTAS option. This is also CTAS method, but along with the CTAS, after the table we are using the predicate, that means filter condition where DEPT number is equal to 10. So let me create this table DEPT 10 successfully created. Now we'll see the data from this table. This table having data only department number 10 only, because while creating the table from DEPT table using the CTAS option, we use the where class, that is the one. And the another way, create a table with structure only without data, we can create a table also. So create or replace table with structure like DEPT. See, this is the particularly this syntax is related to Snowflake. Okay, so the table DEPT underscore struct and underscore only like successfully created. Now let me query the data from this table. This is the one of the method. Okay, so here 0 records, that means structure only created, table created with structure and without data. Now I'm going to use the same table without data or with structure without data by using the CTAS with where class with false condition, any false condition like 1 is equal to 10 is equal to 5, some deep number is equal to 100, like that. So that so let me create this table. See, table DBT structure only with CTAS successfully created. Now let me query the data from this table. Here also 0 rows from this because we created structure only. Okay, and then the another way to create a or duplicate table, copy only particular columns into a new table along with particular data set. That means you can create a table with one column or two columns, like that. I don't want to all the columns, okay, from the original table. So in that case here you can create a table. Okay, so what I am going to do, let me create a table, create or replace table DEPT underscore 2 underscore columns, that means two columns only. Here as select DEPT number dname from DEPT, this is the with data set. Okay, so now let me create a these two columns. Okay, so this table DEPT underscore 2 underscore columns successfully created. Now let me execute, query the data from the, see here three rows data but only two columns. Now what I am going to do, another with structure only but with two columns. This time what I am going to do, okay, this time copy only particular columns into a new table without data. Okay, without data. So to do that, what we have to do, you where 1 equal to 2 false condition. So create or replace, now two columns no data is the my table name. So create or replace table name as select few columns or particular columns from table where 1 is equal to. So let me create this one. See, table successfully created. Let's see data, it should be empty. Okay, empty. Now I am going to do another way. Okay, so without data by using the clone. So create or replace DEPT underscore clone underscore structure only. Okay, clone with structure, clone DEPT where 1 is equal to 2. Let's try this option. See, this is the, here with the cloning option we cannot clone the with where condition, where 1 is equal to, or let me, this is the false condition, let me try with the DEPT number equal to 10. This option create or replace, sorry, here let me create. So expected where, say unexpected where condition, that means we cannot create this. Okay, that's all from this video. Thank you for watching my video.